Jordan 4 sizing guide. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, lifestyle, the Show Me channel. And today we're going over sizing for Jordan 4s. Now Jordan 4s may be the best sneaker I ever made, but it's also the easiest to get the sizing wrong. So without further ado, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into the guide. So why are Jordan 4s so hard to size? Well, that is because they will try to make Jordan 4s true to size and length. However, what people neglect a lot is the fact that Jordan 4s typically run really narrow. I mentioned a lot of times that Jordan 4s should be mostly true to size, but a lot of people will buy them thinking that they're true to size. That's why it's easy to mess it up and realize their feet are wider than they thought they were and need to go actually half a size up. Let me put on the Jordan 4s to show you more what I'm talking about. Slipping on these things can be really hard sometimes, but yeah, here's what Jordan 4s typically would look like on your feet. For sizing reference, I am normally a true to size 8.5, and I can fit Jordan 4s and 8.5 just fine. However, what I tend to do sometimes is just opting to go a half a size up. That's because these sneakers love to put a lot of pressure on your peaky toes. And just because I like to wear these sneakers all day and a lot, I like these sneakers to be a little bit more comfortable. So that's why I go a half a size up when I buy Jordan 4s. And like I said, if you know that you have wide feet, for the love of God and all that is holy, do not go true to size, because you will be probably busting your toes all day long on the side of these sneakers. Now, objectively, I have to say, if you are normally true to size in your sneakers and you're buying a pair of Jordan 4s and you want to go true to size, you should be totally fine going true to size, as long as you know you don't really have problems with sneaker toe boxes. And if you know that your feet are not that wide and can fit pretty narrow. I'm now going to put a sizing chart right here for you guys to show you more what I'm talking about. Like I said, normal feet and stuff like that, just go true to size with Jordan 4s. You really should not have any problem. If you have slightly wider feet, I would definitely recommend going a size half up. Don't go a full size up, because then these things start to run pretty big. I have went a full size up before, so an 8.5 to a 9.5, and I will say I feel like I am swimming in them. It'll be no good if you're just walking around and your J's are trying to come off your feet. Now to put, if you're wearing thicker socks or you hate toe boxes, to do a half size up like I have done. But that's really just like a kind of like a personal preference thing. I do have Jordan 4s that are size 8.5 and fit just fine. I just don't like wearing them all day because I know they are less comfortable. And now I'm going to put a regular sizing or conversion chart right in front of you guys so you guys can see. This is something I just recommend if you guys get some measuring tape or centimeters and you measure your foot and you're about like 24 centimeters. That's where it starts to be a 6 in men's. And if you're women's, Jordans typically go a size 1.5 up. So if you're looking to buy a pair of Jordan 4s and it says 6 in men's, just note that it's like a 7.5 in women's. I also put UK and Euro sizes on there for you guys around the world watching these videos. They are a little funny, but I have to deal with them too sometimes when I go buy designer sneakers. Also, something I like to note is how these sneakers size over time. Obviously, these sneakers have been around for, 40 years now? Yeah, coming up on that time. And over the time, the design and materials have changed on the sneakers. So retro Jordan 4s are actually known to be a little bit more snug around your feet. So if you're looking to buy like a really old, pre-2000s Jordan 4s, I would highly recommend playing it safe and going a size half up. It wasn't until like the early 2012s and 2023 where they started changing the design a little bit to loosen them up and make it a little more comfortable. But yeah, I think that's all you guys need to know to how to size a pair of Jordan 4s. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.